An investigation and not intimidation. This was Malacanang's reply to insinuations a new probe into alleged anomalies in the 2019 hosting of the Southeast Asian Games is meant to silence Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Cayetano, lead organizer of the Games then, responded with his own challenge to the palace. Mobile journalist Julie Baisa with the story.
Po, mandato naman po ng pamunuan ng NBI na mag-imbestiga kung meron po silang naririnig, nalaman na anomalya. Hindi po kailangang utusan ng Pangulo. Mandato po yan ng NBI, ng CIDG, ng PNP. Trabaho po nila yan.
This is how Malacanang sees the planned reinvestigation into alleged anomalies surrounding the 2019 Southeast Asian Games. Senator Alan Peter Cayetano tagged this as a form of political harassment as he called out the NBI investigation before Wednesday impeachment trial hearing. Cayetano served as the chairman of the Philippine Southeast Asian Games Organizing Committee, which oversaw the biennial regional sporting event. According to Palace Press Officer Claire Castro, it was purely coincidental that NBI Director Melvin Matibag received reports regarding the alleged irregularities in the event's spending at this time. Matibag was in a recent visit to Clark City to inspect the site for the proposed NBI Academy when he got wind of it. Castro also emphasized that as the head of the bureau, Matibag cannot simply turn a blind eye to the reported irregularities. Matibag had earlier disclosed that this involved an alleged 10 billion pesos in unliquidated funds, supposed anomalies in bidding processes, as well as the highly controversial SEA Games cauldron, which reportedly cost 50 million pesos. Castro noted that if there's no wrongdoing, there's no reason for anyone to be afraid. She likewise dismissed speculation that the administration is systematically singling out its critics.
So, hindi dapat magkaroon ng reaksyon na dahil iimbestigahan lamang ay sila ay iisa-isahin na. Kapag ganun kasi ang mga pananaw, dapat siguro, sana, ay hindi dahil maaari silang pag-isipan na kayo ba'y guilty. So kung wala naman at walang dapat nakatakutan, hindi kailangan ma-intimidate, hindi kailangan na magalit sa anumang pag-iimbestiga.
On Facebook Live July 16, Cayetano says he supports the NBI's investigation.
Sabihin natin sa DOJ, sa NBI at sa Malacanang, di kayo halata. Slight lang, imbestigahan niyo yung Southeast Asian Games. Imbestigahan niyo ng husto, bigay niyo lahat. Tapos, ako naman, 10 ng aming mga kasama na ngayon ay nasa minority, imbestigahan naman namin ang flood control. Deal? Tama-tama, magsosona na ulit. Bigyan natin ng pwedeng pag-usapan ang mahal nating Pangulo.
As he criticized the Marcos administration, Cayetano claimed they already have a list of witnesses for their probe. The now Senate Minority Leader has long maintained that the administration's flood control investigation has been selective, targeting the administration's critics while letting its allies off the hook.
Pagkatapos sabihin na incidental lang dahil yung building biglang pinawalang sala na ang mga kakampi nila. Tapos sinabi ng DOJ, tama yung investigasyon na yan. Tapos ang Malacanang, naimbestigahan na daw yung sekretary nila pero ako daw hindi pa.
Cayetano may be referring to Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon. Dizon previously chaired the Bases Conversion and Development Authority, which oversaw the infrastructure for the 2019 SEA Games. But Jose Castro said Dizon had already been investigated by the Ombudsman over the matter and was cleared of wrongdoing. The Office of the Ombudsman also confirmed this in a message to the media, saying the complaint filed against Dizon for alleged irregularities in the construction of the sports facilities had been dismissed in 2021 for lack of evidence. The Department of Justice also defended the timing of the NBI's probe, saying the Bureau's actions are guided solely by its legal mandate and the rule of law. Matibag has since responded to allegations the NBI investigation is meant to disrupt or influence the Duterte impeachment trial.
At wala naman tayong balak na siya ay personalin o anuman. Ang sa akin lang, ang NBI po, we are just doing our mandate. And as always, ang message natin, no one is above the law.
Aside from this, Senator Alan Cayetano is facing an obstruction of justice complaint filed by the Ombudsman by Tindig Pilipinas. The complaint stemmed from his alleged role in allowing Senator Bato de la Rosa to leave the Senate and prevent the serving of the ICC's warrant of arrest. Also named as respondents are Senator Robin Padilla and former Senate Sergeant-at-Arms Mau Aplasca. This is for the shooting incident inside the Senate, which was led by Aplasca, and the use of Padilla's vehicle, which Senator Bato rode in. The Ombudsman said Cayetano has filed this counter affidavit on the complaint. Padilla and Aplasca, however, have yet to respond. Kapatid Mobile Journal Julie Baiza, We Are One News.